Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to see how to have an unlimited and free internet connection with your yoomee modem and SIM card. First of all, you need to have a yoomee SIM card and a modem. It does no and obligatory to have a yoomee modem like me. So far as your modem can read the yoomee SIM, it's okay. You will then need to connect your device to your modem as you see, and then connect to the yoomee client service. Then you will need this application that I will leave the link in the description below. Select in the serve region Japan and click on region Japan and click on connect, then wait for it to connect. You are now connected and you can enjoy free internet. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and share to your friends for them to enjoy also.